see if she swims
Not
across
doing
again.
it? Yeah. Come on, Lala.
She's not doing it. Oh wait, she might be doing the water here. She's not doing it this time.
One of the questions Vanessa and I get asked all the time is, why do you have two Jeeps? If you're familiar with Jeeps, you know they're not exactly known for their reliability, comfort, or fuel economy. So why own one, let alone two? The answer is pretty simple. First, our Jeeps take us anywhere we want to go. With the right setup, they can handle just about anything. Rugged backcountry trails, deep water crossings, and endless dirt roads, leading to places most people never get to see. But honestly, that's only part of the reason. The second reason? These two. Stella, our water-loving, adventure-seeking yellow lab, and Odin, our high-energy, always-on-the-go German shepherd. They take up the entire backseat of one Jeep, which means if we want to travel as a family, having two Jeeps isn't just a choice, it's a necessity.
You ready to go?
But more than that, having two Jeeps means they get to live their absolute best lives. Whether it's chasing sticks at sunrise, wading through icy mountain streams, or sprinting across open fields, every day is an adventure for them. Odin, with his boundless energy, never stops moving. Always ready for the next challenge, the next throw, the next trail to explore. He's happiest when he has a job to do, whether that's guarding camp or tracking down that perfect stick. Stella, on the other hand, finds pure joy in the water. It doesn't matter if it's a creek, a river, or a lake. If there's water, she's in it. She was born for this life, and it's clear in every splash, every shake, and every content sigh as she watches the world drift by. They remind us why we do this, why we left behind the ordinary for a life on the road. It's about freedom, about adventure, about making the most of every single moment. And honestly, I don't think we'd want it any other way.
Whoa!